duck and cottrell, the entry enforcer.
I'm going to tell you how to reinforce single doors to keep the burglars out.
Once you're in the house, there are a couple of barricading devices that can be used to prevent the door from being forced in. This door guardian that has a spring in it that snap locks it into a notch so that the door can't be opened. Pull it out of its notch, swing it out of the way, and the door opens as normal. Another barricading device that can be used is this night lock that consists of a plate that attaches to the floor and a fence that slides in and blocks the door. To open the door, the fence comes out and the door swings over the top of the plate. They come in other colors as well, depending on your decor.